from...
What's up, guys? We're here in a new build.
We are the yardists. We take boring, mundane yards and transform them into livable works of art. Our mission? To inspire life outside.
Alright, move down to this mark. I'm kind of here, that way.
2 by what?
Come over and take a look, because due to the shape of this pond, you need to see the line that I'm drawing. So, 22
On 1 point.
from here, kind of where the edge of the intake is.
What's up, guys? This is Omar with Hiner Outdoor Living, here in a new project that we just started. Well, we started yesterday. As you can see, we already did a lot of demo, but now we're just trying to figure it out. Where is it going to start off, and where is it going to go? So let me show you real quick here. So this one, it's a 20 something feet long stream, so it's pretty good. It's gonna start off somewhere over here, and then it's gonna, just to give it a little bit of visual from the patio, we're gonna start off here, face that waterfalls this way. It's gonna cascade. We don't have much elevation, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it look great. It's going to kind of pull out here, and then it's gonna start its journey all the way to the pond. This is where pond is gonna be located. So we have a nice hard edge, which means it's gonna be a retaining wall. The patio is gonna come right up to the pond, so it just adds a lot of beauty to it when you have that clear edge and you can step in literally almost right into the water. So this is gonna look great. It's time to excavate it, so let's do it.
How is it going, everybody? Sam with Hiner Outdoor Living here. We are about 99% of the way completed. I am super pleased and excited with how this has turned out. So come with me, let's go ahead, take a look at the different features and kind of talk about what we did out here. All right, guys, so up here where I am standing is kind of the unfinished portion of this project. We've still got a little bit to go. Countertops are slated to be cut and installed here in the next couple of weeks, and that'll just be the final icing on the cake to wrap this project up. So a little bit left on the outdoor kitchen, but as we come around down into the lower portion of the yard, we have this gorgeous pond and stream just nestled into this little hillside full of plants. Mostly native plants is what we kind of chose out here just to keep with the surrounding landscape. As you'll see when we turn around and face behind you guys, we've got a really nice view of Pikes Peak back here. So we just wanted to work with kind of the existing landscape that we had on property, but also the landscape of Colorado, using native plants, native boulders, native materials to really bring this together and create an awesome outdoor living space for the client. Right now we're standing on the lower patio, nice large mega arbel flagstone patio. It's gonna be a great hangout spot. Come down here, kick the fire pit on late at night and stay warm. Sit pondside, dip your toes in the summer when it's a little bit hotter. This is a year-round backyard. You're never not going to be able to enjoy this space. Well, alrighty guys, that is a wrap for today and mostly for this project. Really appreciate you following along. We have a bunch more projects like this, both small and large, coming your way. But in the meantime, if you have any questions, drop those down in the comments. Also, tell us what you love. Tell us what you think we could do better. You know, we're always here for feedback and want to know what you guys think. So go ahead, hit those comments, like, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more just like this.